I have autopilot on. I'm in traffic. This is really the best time to use autopilot. You put it on. You're in a stop and go traffic. You just let it do its thing. Look at that. Uh-oh, we got a car trying to merge in. I don't know what autopilot is going to do at this point. Interesting. I'm not going to try to find out. So what I'm going to do is take it over, because you know how people are. But I'll put it back on again once it's clear. Let's put it back on. It's back on. So it's always a good idea to keep your hand on the wheel, you know, just for emergency purposes, just in case something happens. But in all honesty, the autopilot does a great job of steering and navigating between the lines, or following the car in front of it. Right now, you can see the car in front of me, the symbol of the car in front of me is blue. So that means it's actually trying to follow that instead of the lines on the road. So whatever is marked in blue or highlighted in blue is what it's trying to follow. Right now you see as it flips, now it's trying to follow the lines. It's really aggressive with the acceleration. You could always adjust that and make it a little slower, especially in this type of weather. So what I'm going to do right now is set at 30. So I'm going to bring it down a little. See, set it down to 25. I could even bring it down further to 20. So that way it's not that, you know, it's not trying to reach 30 miles at 35 or 30 miles an hour. Okay, so yeah, hello. All right, guys. Yo, have a good day. It's raining here in Brooklyn.